In Altrincham, where the weather tests the strength of our homes, your roof stands as the first line of defense. Knowing when it needs attention can save you time and money. Let's explore the signs that your roof may need repair or replacement. First, missing or damaged shingles. Altrincham's wind and rain can take a toll, leading to leaks and further damage. Next, signs of water damage or leaks. Stains on ceilings or walls inside your home indicate that water is making its way through the roof. Another telltale sign is sagging. A sagging roof deck suggests trapped moisture and weakening structure, a problem that needs immediate attention. Don't overlook your gutters. Excessive shingle granules in the gutters are a sign of advanced wear and indicate that your roof may be nearing the end of its life. Lastly, moss or algae growth. While common in our damp climate, these can cause underlying damage to roofing materials. If you notice any of these signs, it's crucial to act promptly. Addressing repairs early can extend the life of your roof and prevent the need for a complete replacement. For a thorough inspection and expert advice tailored to Altrincham homes, contact us today. Protect your home starting at the top.